Well, sweet mother of God, finally. It only took me like 6 times to get it up and down, and clear out some of the carbon. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We're almost there. Get the rest of the pistons out. I mean, the piston rings out. Oh, you guys want to see the crazy thing I did? Yep, I just put a pry bar right there, across, let it set on the shield, on the hit shield, and I'm using my camera. But bad news, might have to twist this baby that way. Keep on going. There you go. Come on. Come on with your fat ass. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. It's almost out. Almost back out.